Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete underlined text on your WordPress website. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and search for wordpress.com. Then simply log into your WordPress account. This is the user interface you're going to face in my home page. As you can see, I'm in my home page. Here under the quick links section, you can see edit site option. Click on the edit site option. It will take you to the editors page of WordPress. And after taking you to the editors page of WordPress, as you can see over here, now we are going to look for the text we want to delete underline from. As you can see, this text has been underlined, so I'm simply going to select this text. And now on the keyboard, you have to press Control U at the same time, and voila, your underlined text has been removed. As you can see over here, the underline has been removed, and WordPress actually shows you instantly that it has been made, the edit and everything. And after you are done, just simply click on the save option over here to save all of your changes. And that is how you delete underline on your text in WordPress. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.